Hey Sam. Today, we're going to learn the word
stecken,
Hi Alex.
Stecken.
What does that mean?
stecken,
has a few meanings in English, but it mostly means to stick or to insert. It can also mean to be stuck in some contexts.
Interesting. Are there any false friends with that word?
Yes, that's a good question. Don't confuse
stecken,
with the English word stick as a noun. In German,
stecken,
can also mean stick in a different context, like a stick or a rod. Now let's talk about grammar.
stecken,
Is a verb. In the present tense, you say
ich stecke, du steckst,
and
sie, steckt.
So, if I wanted to say I stick the paper, I would say
Ich stecke das Papier.
exactly. In the past tense, you would use
Steckte,
for,
Präteritum.
like,
Ich steckte das Papier in die Tasche.
meaning I stuck the paper in my bag.
and for the.
Perfekt.
You would say
Ich habe das Papier gesteckt.
so you use
Haben,
plus the past participle.
gesteckt.
Got it. Is there an imperative form?
Yes, you can say,
Steck es ein.
which means stick it in. Now, let's explore the word's history.
Stecken,
Comes from Old High German,
stechen.
which means to thrust or to pierce. It has evolved over the centuries but retains that idea of inserting or sticking.
That's really cool. I love learning where words come from.
The evolution shows how practical the concept of sticking has been throughout history. Let's break down the word.
Stecken,
It doesn't have a prefix or a suffix, but you can think of it as the root meaning to stick.
So it's straightforward, then.
Yes, it is. There are no compound parts. However, if you think of a vivid image, imagine inserting a stick into the ground. Now let's look at similar words. For example, with the prefix
ein,
we have,
einstecken.
which means to insert. Another one is
Abstecken,
meaning to mark out.
What about other suffixes?
Sure. With the suffix
ung,
we have,
Steckung.
which means sticking or blocking. Another example is
Versteck.
meaning hiding place.
Are there more examples?
Yes. We have
Stecker.
meaning plug and
Abstecker.
meaning marker. All these words share the common idea of sticking or inserting in some way. Let's practice speaking. Imagine you're at a store. You might say,
Ich stecke das Geld in die Tasche.
meaning I put the money in my pocket.
Okay.
Ich stecke das Geld in die Tasche.
Great. Now, what if you were at a doctor's office and needed to say, I need to stick this Band-Aid on?
I could say,
Ich stecke das Pflaster auf meine Wunde.
Close. It would be,
Ich klebe das Pflaster auf meine Wunde.
using,
Kleben.
for to stick on. But your effort is excellent. Lastly, let's not forget about gender. The noun
Stecken.
is masculine, so it's
Der Stecken.
You might remember this because it ends in, which often hints at masculine nouns.
that's helpful.
For usage notes,
Stecken.
is informal and commonly used in everyday conversations. Typical collocations include
Stecken bleiben.
meaning to get stuck, or
Stecken in der Klemme.
meaning to be in a jam. Now, let's do a quick recall check. First question, what is the meaning of
Stecken.
To stick or to insert.
correct? Next, can you give me the present tense form for I stick?
Ich stecke.
Perfect. How about the past tense form?
Steckte.
Yes. Now, what do you say for they?
Perfekt.
Form.
Ich habe gesteckt.
Great job. Last question, what is the gender of
Stecken.
It's masculine, right?
Yes, it is. You did wonderfully today, Sam. To sum up, we learned about the verb,
Stecken.
its meanings, conjugations, and history.
Thanks, Alex. This was really helpful.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and I look forward to our next session.